Hi friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb. And today what we're going to do is marry these two, okay? We're going to fix this and just top it onto the Texas toast. Okay, first thing we are going to do, we got to take that lid off that pan and get cooking. So butter, oil, you choose. But what we're going to have to do is saute. This is one medium onion, and that is like a bell green pepper that I had left from a previous dish. Okay. We just want to dump that in and just get those sauteed. That, we're almost done. You can al dente it and then throw in your steak. Yeah, I don't like the weird thingy. Like the outer edge of the onion. Yeah, we're not doing that. It's kind of rough looking. Okay, we're going to get these sauteed. While the onions are sauteing, I'm going to put the garlic toast in the oven. Okay, and there they go. They're starting to get translucent. We want to take our sirloin steaks and just break them up in there. Perfect. And then kind of just stir that around. And if you want, you can throw a little bit of oil, or, maybe you want to put just a tablespoon of butter in there. Give it a little bit of flavor. All right, let's go in there with some garlic. And then I really love me some onion powder. And then let's not forget the pepper. Okay. All right, and then we're going to want to fry this up until that meat is done. Okay, friends, normally I don't mess with salt too much, but today we're just going in with a little bit of salt. Okay, I've taken my bread, garlic toast out, and I'm going to make a little well. I left the bread in for 6 minutes. Perfect. Okay, the bottom is just starting to brown, but it's going to go back in there, so the bottom's going to brown a little bit more. And what we're going to want to do is get the meat into the little indented well. Okay, so I put the meat in the wells. Now this is Swiss. Use what you like, but Swiss is going to go good with this. And just top with your cheese. And then you're going to put it back in the oven until that cheese melts. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Another thing I did, just on the side, I cut up a large tomato. I put a little salt, pepper, and some onion powder on that. Okay, friends, I had to cut it in half just to cut a little square out. This is soft, okay? So if you have any problems with your teeth, or it's not going to hurt your gums when you bite into it, This is really delicious. Yum. And there's plenty. It makes plenty. Let me see. I got the ingredients from Walmart. The garlic bread was like maybe 3 something. The steak was 7. And the tomato, I'm going to be honest, I really don't know how much 1 tomato cost and 1 onion, because I usually just buy a whole bag. Okay, friends, I really, really liked this. This is delicious, and I'm going to make this again. I don't know why the light in here, it pretty much sucks, okay? I'm going to try to get that fixed later. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And remember, keep cooking, friends, and I love you all.